Welcome. In this lesson, we will explore the relevance of biology to agriculture by learning how plants are classified and how farming practices affect our environment. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to understand the different ways plants are classified, provide examples for each type, and describe how agricultural activities impact the environment. Plants exist in countless forms. To make sense of this diversity, we classify them. There are four main ways we can group plants. We can classify plants based on their biological structure, their agricultural use, their life cycle, or simply by their size. Let's look at each of these. First is botanical classification. This is a scientific method based on plant structure and evolutionary relationships. It divides the plant kingdom into major groups, like thallophytes, bryophytes, and the vascular tracheophytes. Tracheophytes are further divided, eventually leading to the flowering plants, which are split into monocots and dicots. Next, we have agricultural classification. This is a practical method based on how we use plants. This classification considers the product we get from the plant, the specific part that is useful to us, and its overall economic value. For example, root crops like yam and cassava store starch in their edible underground roots or stems. Cereal crops like maize, rice, and millet are from the grass family and are grown for their edible grains, which are rich in carbohydrates. Fruit crops like oranges provide vitamins and sugars, while vegetable crops like spinach and okra provide vitamins and minerals from their leafy parts. Legumes like cowpea are rich in protein. Oil plants, such as the oil palm, produce oil of great economic value. Plants can also be classified by their life cycle. Annuals complete their cycle in 1 year. Biannuals take 2 years, and perennials live for more than 2 years, producing yields season after season. Finally, we classify plants by size. Herbs are small plants with soft stems. Shrubs are medium-sized and woody. Trees are large plants with a single woody trunk. Now, let's consider how agricultural practices affect our ecological systems. Bush burning is a common method for clearing land. While it quickly clears vegetation, it has significant negative effects. It destroys valuable organic matter, kills helpful soil organisms, pollutes the air, and leaves the soil vulnerable to erosion. Overgrazing happens when too many animals feed on a pasture, exceeding its carrying capacity. This removes the protective vegetation, compacts the soil, and leads to serious erosion, damaging the land for future growth. Deforestation is the removal of forests without replanting trees. This is often done to create farmland or for logging. Deforestation leads to soil erosion, can alter rainfall patterns, and destroys the homes of many plants and animals, impacting the entire ecosystem. In summary, biology helps us understand how to classify plants for agricultural purposes, and also shows us how our farming methods can impact the delicate balance of our ecosystems. Sustainable practices are key to a healthy environment. Well done! You have completed the lesson on the relevance of biology to agriculture.